In March, we headed back to Baja, this time with our friends LiveVanNow, who had just purchased a brand new Promaster 6 months prior and built it into their own camper van. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
Good morning.
Morning. Buenos dias.
We are back in the van.
Finally. It seems like forever. It's nice to be back in the van.
After taking care of a few things on the home front, we are on the road and we are taking our friends. And where are we headed?
Back to Baja.
Back to Baja. Vámonos. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Getting ready to go to Mexico.
Going to Baja.
Woohoo!
LiveVannow's first time.
Yeah.
Here we go. So border crossing going smooth once again. This time they had a dog, and this time they opened the back doors, but they did not open any of the cabinets, any of the refrigerator, so still pretty easy. We'll see how the rest of it goes. Hey Rich, where are we?
We are in Mexico.
Baja,
California.
so we crossed the border in 15 minutes.
Very quick.
Including our inspection and the FMM office, and they let us reuse our FMM paperwork. He said
in and out privileges are okay for up to 6 months.
6 months. So one just got done with our first gas stop in Baja. We stopped at the Chevron in Mexacali on the edge of town, headed to San Felipe, and we paid
1951 pesos per liter. It turns out to be like $3.80 a gallon. Yes.
much better than California. Cheers!
We made it.
We made it to San Felipe. One of the first stops we went to was the Valle de Gigantes, the giant cactus.
I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that
Hola!
Hola, buenos dias.
We tried out a new spot last night.
Gorgonzola.
Gonzaga. Now I can't even say it. Gonzaga Bay. Gonzaga Bay. And pretty nice palapa.
Really nice and clean. About 20 palapas.
30 palapas, I think we counted.
Yeah. Little hotel, they call it. Nice bay.
One of the must stops on our list with Tom and Judy was Camp Archelon in Bahia de Los Angeles. We were excited when our friends on the road together.online were already camped there on their way headed back to the States.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, that's a move. Cheers. We're at Chino's. How is it?
I don't know yet.
The cream is a little spicy.
Very good.
While in town, we had to take Tom and Judy to our favorite taco shop, China's Place. The day finally came for us to go on the whale watching tour. Unfortunately, it was a very rough day and the whales were not as active. We had much better weather and reaction from the whales on our last visit last February. Check out our other whale watching video from our last visit to Baja. After the whale watch, we headed into town in Guerrero Negro and went to Tony's Tacos, a great taco truck downtown. Another must stop on our tour with our friends was Bahia de Concepcion outside of Mulegé. We went to our trusted campsite at Playa Los Cocos, and soon we were able to introduce our friends Adolfo, Marcelo, and other local vendors that we had become friends with.
Oh, that was too easy. Oh, come on.
You're supposed to arm wrestle. You're supposed to.
And gracias, sí, gracias.
Oh, thank you, amigo. I won't tell your boss.
Headed out for a kayak. Bahía de Concepcion. You okay back there? We took our friends to town to show them around Mulahey. Buenos dias from Bahía de Concepcion. We're ready to go for a boat ride with Jose, Crankin Boat Tours. Gonna go on a ride around Bahía de Concepcion. Here we go. Our next stop was Loreto for one night to camp in town and explore the area close by. We are kind of camp over there, so we're going to turn right at the next intersection. And then you're going to turn right here, slow down, let's see, it does say no driving, but this is how we did it. With right, left turn. Left turn. It'll be right on your left up here. Right here, right here. Right here, right here.
Nobody here.
And the times are changing fast.
headed through La Paz. After making a pit stop at Walmart for supplies, we headed to Tecolote. It was almost too comical that we got stuck at Tecolote, as we had been there before and knew what areas to stay away from. But we were able to get each other unstuck easily with our tow strap and our friend's winch. Tecolote, a great place to camp for free on the beach. When the weather is good, this location is amazing.
Makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
We couldn't be in the area and not show our friends Balandra. Balandra is one of the most beautiful beaches.
We got time on our side. We're in a state
It's one of the most beautiful beaches when the tide is high. When the tide goes down, you can walk across from one side to the other.
I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
Beautiful bay. Balandra. Bahia Balandra. Look at this place, Rich.
That's pretty nice. Beautiful sand. Nice, shallow.
Great place to spend a few hours of the day.
Yeah.
Especially
Saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel.
on part 2 of our return to Baja, we head to Cabo, snorkel in the national park, down on the beach in Cabo San Lucas, hit up the brewery in San Jose de Cabo, and then we head to Todos Santos before heading back north towards the U.S.